point of doing this at this time of the morning is when the ground is really cool. Then the animals are the only things that show up as a heat signature. They stick out because they have, you know, a warm body temperature. So I'm looking for the heat signature of any sort of animal. Look, I've got one right here. See that? That looks like a dog. You can even tell he looks pretty skinny right there. Hopefully he'll stay right where he's at. We're gonna grab some water and food and then head over there. So he was right on the cement pad over here.
The dog is definitely skittish, so I've told the crew to hold back while I approach him alone.
Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, bless your heart, you poor little creature. Come on. There you go.
As I put the food down, he's definitely hesitant to take food or water. Real skittish. It's now a couple weeks after the hurricane happened, so he's certainly really hungry and probably pretty thirsty.
Poor thing, you've been through a lot, haven't you? Let me have a seat with you. Give you some company.
So hopefully, if I'm patient, he'll come around.
Okay, baby, you're okay.
I was amazed that he survived what he did and wanted to rescue him. But he's big and could give a nasty bite. So I asked some rescue folks with proper equipment to capture him.
Awesome work, you guys.
I decided to call him Duke. It seemed like the right thing to do.